Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Steve the bartender and today we're making a surfer on acid. Now the reason I've chosen this one to recreate is because I was looking at my bar and I discovered a bottle of Jagermeister sitting on my back bar that hasn't even been cracked. And as soon as I saw it, it kind of transported me back to the surfer on acid, which I did many years ago. It was wildly popular on the channel for 2 months and then it just stopped dead for some reason. But it was a very simple cocktail. It was originally created by Eric Tukoski and it was created as a shot. So it was equal parts of Jagermeister, coconut rum, and pineapple juice. And I just felt like there was something missing from it, a little bit of acid. And as soon as I saw the bottle on my back bar, I recalled that the Educated Barfly had a reconstructed version on his channel by Dylan Synder. So Dylan Synder did a channel takeover on his YouTube channel. He's the brand ambassador of Jagermeister. So he must be know a little thing or two about Jagermeister and Jagermeister drinks. So enough talking. Let's get onto the drink, and this is definitely going to be better. I know straight away it's going to be better than the original version that I made on the channel, so stay tuned. So we're going to measure out 1 ounce, 30 ml of Jagermeister. So a German herbal liqueur. It's not really a common ingredient in cocktails. Let's say, what have I used in the surfer on acid? What's that drink? The Death Flip. Featured that in the book as well. Can't even think. I remember making an oatmeal cookie once. That had Jagermeister. It was a creamy cocktail. Let me know in the comments below if you've got a Jagermeister cocktail that I should make, because I've got a whole entire bottle and not a lot of use for it. It's not something I shot anymore. I might could take it to the in-laws and we can use it as a digestive. That's how I've had it most of the time. Now, we're using a pineapple rum. So plantation pineapple rum. This is plantation dark, infused with pineapples for 3 months. Specifically, they're Victoria pineapple. So it's a really juicy, really sweet pineapple. Then they also macerate pineapple rind in one of their rums and they redistill it and make like an essence, like a pineapple essence, and then add that in as well. So pineapple rum, if you don't have plantation pineapple, of course you can recreate it yourself, macerate some fresh pineapple and some pineapple rinds into a rum, strain it out, and you're good to go. Not going to be the same, but it's going to be close. So 1 ounce, 30 ml, straight into tin. Pineapple juice, it's the reconstituted pineapple juice, but it is an organic pineapple juice. So use the best quality pineapple juice you can use. You can juice a pineapple fresh if you like, completely up to you. Now this is where it gets interesting. We're using orgeat. So an almond syrup kind of like tikifies the recipe a little bit more. So 1/2 ounce, 15 ml, add that in, it's going to sweeten it up. Then we're also going to add the acid that was missing from the first recipe. Is it going to be enough? 1/2 ounce, 15 ml, because we're adding the sweetener in, and then also you need the extra acid to balance out that sweetness, let alone the missing acid from the first time I made it, if that makes sense. So 1/2 ounce, 15 ml into the tin, add some ice, give it a shake. And strain over a nice big rock. In it goes. And garnish with a pineapple spear. As with any Jagermeister drink, it's probably going to look a little bit murky, like this one, and then you got the combination of the orgeat, so that, and actually, it kind of looks like a flip. It looks like it's got a whole egg in it, and it looks really textural and creamy. I'm quite excited to try this. They have a reconstructed version of the Surfer on Acid by Dylan Synder, the brand ambassador. Well, I don't know if he's still a brand ambassador. This was posted on Leandro's channel about 5 years ago. So he was at the time brand ambassador for Jagermeister. Cheers. Prost, I should say. Yeah, this is good. Nice and herbal, tikified. It's got that nuttiness to it. Really quite textural. Last time I made it, it was 3 years ago. So I can't remember in comparison to that. I know it's a better drink, but I can't remember as far as texture and everything like that goes. But this particular orgeat is quite thick and textural, nutty, herbal, really pineapple, really pineapple-y, vibrant pineapple flavors. Yeah, this was definitely worth trying. And I know there's quite a few people that really like the Surfer on Acid. If you do, give this a shot. If you don't, try it anyway. I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.